Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you've known me for a little while, you know that I love a good looking fridge. Nice, organized and clean, and mine is looking a bit. So I thought I would bring you along and show you how I organize it. So this is how it's looking now. I had some food delivered today and I literally just shoved everything in the fridge to be organized when I had time. So now is the time. The first thing I'm going to do is get all the veg, all the meat out and decide how I'm going to organize it. I just got out some of the containers that I like using. I use these for cold meats and cheese. Has the 3 dividers. I bought these from Amazon and they basically help make the veg and fruit last longer, so I like using them. I've got 2, and I got out some jars and some Tupperwares in case I need them. Now, one of the things that they tell you when you buy one of these Simply, what they call Sistema, I think they're called Simply Fresh, is that you should not wash your vegetables because obviously that adds moisture to the Tupperware and then obviously it makes the vegetables go bad. So I just cut them up and then as I take them out to use, I'll wash them then. But here's the broccoli. Can you tell that broccoli is our favourite? We always have broccoli. I am gonna grate this cheese in the Thermomix so it's ready to use whenever we want it. So it doesn't grate it like a normal grater would, but it makes it into tiny little chunks, which is perfect to use. I'm going to do the rest now. So I'm done. Let me show you how it looks. at the top here, I just keep Alex's drinks. I keep the butter that's open there. Then you just saw me make some labels. This is passata. Then I've got a big jar of olives, cream, and right at the back is elderflower syrup. Then you saw me prep all of this. This is just some leftovers, but I really like that in the back there. Eggs, all the veg, the meat which I'm going to use in the next couple of days, and then some pop. And then in here I keep other cheeses and unopened butter, and I've put here the condiments that are open, and so they're out of the way. And then here I just got more veg. And then at the door just put the drinks, milk. There's soya milk missing here. I've run out. I need to go and get some more. And then here I need to maybe make that label a bit higher, but there's the mayo and then the condiments in their new bottles. I don't know what's going on with my label machine, but some of them came out with black labels and white labels. Now I know this is a bit much for a lot of people, but I'm happy to do it and I like the way it looks. That is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.